Hey guys, it's Josh from Easy-Kleen. Today we're here in the back shop. As you can tell, it's a little noisy in here. We're in full production. We're getting year end. We're trying to get the gear out the door for our customers. In the video today, we have our Bull Moose 8 gallons per minute, 8,000 PSI, 60 horsepower Kubota, belt drive AR pump, 800,000 BTU boiler. Integrated in the chassis of the frame, it's hard to see, but there's a 100-gallon fuel tank there. Also, we have our forklift slots. So when this machine arrives to these guys, you can mount it into a box truck, and then they are able to remove that. So if different areas they want to use this in or store it inside in the winter, they can remove this out with the forklifts, drop it inside where it's warm. They don't have to winterize it. Again, where they're a full service shop, they may bring this inside and use the machine indoors, just because there's so many different things they do. They do a dry dock, they're building stuff, so there's loads of different opportunities there for this machine to be working in. So we just made it a little bit more versatile for them and I set it up the way they wanted. This unit is heading off to Quebec, Canada. It's been sold to a shipyard up there. The main use of this machine is going to be for surface prep for painting and cleaning ship hulls and cargo hulls. They got a ship coming in that's got some repair. You got barnacles, sea vegetation growing on it. They'll have a guy on a lance come in and clean that off so they can repair the ship, get it back out into service. If they're hauling bitumen or if they're hauling potash, salt, they can actually go in and clean the cargo hulls. Another use that this customer is going to be using it for is floor drains in their shop. So they'll actually be jetting their own floor drains out. Where it's a full service shop, there's a lot of stuff that gets down in floor drains, and usually a couple times a year they're having to get a contractor come in and jet their floor drains out. So this machine will be able to jet their own lines out, so it'll save them money, save them getting a contractor in to do that. So this will give them 8 gallons per minute, 8,000 PSI, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It is fully adjustable. You can adjust the pressure down, you can adjust the heat down. We're really pleased to be shipping this machine to them. I know they're excited about getting it. If we're getting to the year end here, they got a lot of work for it come this spring. They want to get it up there and get it set up. So if you have any questions today about a wash truck or washing gear, wash bay, any cleaning needs, we'd love to hear from you. 1-800-315-5533. We look forward to talking to you. Thank you.